If at first you don't succeed, keep on trying until you do. Or something to that effect. Hello, Judge Bookman, heart transplant, you know, trying to save this poor man's life. I say poor man because he's got me trying to save his life. Drop that over there. So yeah. Well, I think at least now I know what to do. It's just actually doing it. No, avoid the drugs. Avoid the drugs. Oh, well, that's gone well. Somehow. Now, bone saw gently there. Yeah. Muddles keeps laughing at me. For understandable reasons, but still it hurts. Okay, that's 2 ribs. 3 ribs. Seriously? These ribs are really annoying. Sometimes they just go immediately and then... Sometimes they're really stubborn like us. Uh-oh. I missed the rib. I can't really put it down and... Well, I suppose I could try putting the bone saw down and putting it in a slightly less awkward position, but... I've learned in this game the less times you have to fix something up, the better. Kind of... Best just kind of go with it. Oh! I think I disturbed the lungs. Oh, those are not pleasant noises. I could not be a medic. Well, not a surgeon, no. Or indeed any kind of medic. What the... Hang on, what? What is happening to that poor man's... Whatever that is. Liver? Yep, I got the ribs out. Okay. Now I'll put this daintily down. Oh, I've got a blood splash from the wrist. Right then. Remove the ribs. Place gently down. Remove the lung. Remove the lung. Oh, we're stuck again. There we go. Oh, ho, 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 He's losing a bit of blood, but I'm sure he'll be fine. He has to be fine at this point. He can't not be fine. What did I just... Oh, okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go for a scalpel at this point. Okay, I may have put the bone saw down on the scalpels. That wasn't my best move, possibly. There we go. Okay. Hammer, I just don't need. Come on. Scalpel! Excellent! Right then. Now, last time I had a few problems with the scalpel. Cut all the artery vein things. Oh, there's a lot of blood coming from something. Is that all of them? I don't know, I think so. Oh no, there's the blue one. Come on, is this going well? It's stuck. Oh! And I have to cut the pink thing as well. Oh. Oh, I'm just poking all the wrong things. That could be taken out of context. Anyway. Come on, I can do this. I've got this. I'm feeling confident. Oh, good, that's gone. Can I now grab the heart? Oh no, there's still the blue thing, I think. Yeah. Oh, that's probably okay. I'll give him the... let's see if I can grab the heart now. I mean... just the fingers. Don't look at how much blood he's losing. Oh, what do I got? I got the heart out! For the first time! Yes! 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 Can I? Come on. I can't believe... Yes, yes, oh please, yes, oh please, yes. No, come on, it's in, it's in. Nope, that's... Okay, come on, drop it in there. What? No, come on. It's in the right place. It's in the right place. It's in. It's in. It's in. Ah. I did it! 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 I actually flippin' did it! I finished the surgery! Oh, I'm so happy! I mean, what else? The bone saw is still going on. Looks fine to me, I'm sure he'll live. Final blood level 539 milliliters. Oh gosh. I can't believe... 3 videos. I finally did it. Maybe I can be a surgeon. Okay. Hey. So what's the next option? Kidney transplant. Oh, hell.